Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Zero X Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, you'll want to swipe down from the top right side of your screen, which will bring down your toggles, and somewhere here we should have our hotspot toggle. Now if we don't, we will need to add it ourselves. I don't see it on my end, so I'm going to click right here on this pencil icon. Swipe down and you can see already hotspot right here, so I'm going to click on that plus, go back, and it should be now added to my toggles. From here I'm going to hold it. This will quickly take me to the settings. Now I recommend doing this at least once, because under the hotspot settings you'll find a randomly generated password. I would recommend just selecting it and getting rid of it altogether and setting up your own new password that will be a little bit easier for you to remember rather than this gibberish that was said before. Click on OK, and then make sure you click on the check mark right here to save the change. And we can close this. Find the toggle once again, and this time around just simply tap on it to enable it. Then you can now connect to your hotspot with other devices. Once you're done using it, you can also tap on the toggle once again to turn it off, as hotspot will consume more of your phone's battery when it's running. So when you're not using it, there is really no reason for it to be running in the background and waste your phone's battery. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.